Hello kids, I am back with some more fun activities. So, today we are going to learn about the tables. Table is nothing but it's just repeated action of addition. Little bit confused? Don't worry, I am explaining you, okay? So, as I told, table is nothing but repeated action of addition. When we talk about table of 2, it's just repeated addition of number 2. Like 2, 2 plus 2. Here 2 is adding for 2 times. Next 2 plus 2 plus 2. So here 2 is adding for 3 times. So this is called multiplication. This repeated addition is called multiplication. Okay. So let's learn about table 2 with some activities. Here in this activity I have a box with 2 cards in this. Okay. This is one set of box which has 2 cards in it. So to present it in the numbers, I write in this way. 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. 2 is the this 2 is the number of cards in this box and 1 represent the set of the box. So 2 times 1. 2 times 1 set of box. So 2 times 1 set is equal to 2. Now again to this box I am going to add one more set of box. Okay. So now the set represent in this the set represent has increased. This is one set of box and this is 2 set of box. So it represent in numbers like 2 multiply 2. 2 2s are. Just look at over. 2 is this 2 represent the cuts in the box. And how many sets we have? There is 2 sets. 1 and 2. So 2 2s are. So 2 2s are 4. 4 is the product of here. What is the 4? 4 is the product. The number which we get multiplying 2 numbers is called product. What it's called? Product. Okay. Now we count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. We have 2 cuts in one set. Okay. So this is 2. And how many set of box we have? 2 set of box. 1 and 2. So 2 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4. Now again I am adding one more set of box. So now what it says? 2 cuts in each box. Okay. So this is 2. And how many set of box we have? 1, 2, 3. How many set of box we have? 3 set of box. So 2 3s are. So how many total cuts are in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Yes. Now again I'm adding one more set of box. Okay. So it becomes 2. Now number of set of boxes has increased. So one set of box, 2, 3 and 4 and the number of cuts are remaining same. जो हमारे जो कट्स है वो तो सेम ही है, सब में देखो 2 2 ही है. सो 2 multiply 4. 2 4s are, how many cuts are there in total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Yes. Now again I am going to add one more set of box. Okay. So we have now again it increase. So same. Number of cuts are same. But set of box has been increased. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 multiply 5. 2 5s are 10. Just we count it, okay? I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Yes. Again I am adding one more set of box. Okay. Yes. So number of sets are 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 multiply 6. 2 6 are. So 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Yes. Again I am adding one more set of box. So slowly my set of box has increased. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 2 multiply 7. 7 represent, yes, set of box. How many set of box we have? 7 set of box. So we write 7 over here. And the number cuts are already 2 in each set. देखिए हर एक में 2 ही sets of है हमारे, 2 ही cuts है ना. So it is remain same. But the set of box has increased. So we write 7 over here. So 2 multiply 7. 2 7s are 14. Yes. Again I am going to add one more set of box. Yes. So it becomes 2 8s are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have total 8 set of box. And how many cuts are there? Just we count out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes. So 2 8s are. So 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Yes. Again one more set of box over here. So it becomes 2 9s are. It becomes 2 9s are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 set of box. 2 9s are. So 2 9s are 18. 2 2 nines are 18. Now one more set of box. So how many set of box we have in total? Yes, now we have 10 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So and how many total cuts are in this? Just we count it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. So let's summarize all the activities, what all we have learned through the activities. Okay. So look at over here. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. And 2 tens are, yes, it's 20. So these all are called products. Product means when we have multiplied two numbers and the answer which we get is called product. Okay. So here in red colors which are seen, the numbers which are repeatedly added. Look at over here. Every time we added 2. Okay. 2 every time this is repeated. And here the green color, and here is this green color represent number of times you adding. So this is 2 multiply 1. 2 multiply 1. Number of sets is 1. Okay. So this is the way you get the table of 2. Okay. So in maths, tables are very important. So parents, make sure that your kids learn it thoroughly, but not in sequence only. He or she should be also learn in randomly, like 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18. बच्चे को, आपके बच्चे को ऐसे भी याद रहना चाहिए कि एनी multiplication they can get the answer. Okay. So this is the today's work. Okay. This is the how we learn the table. Okay. So bye. Have a good day. Thank you.